Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is procedure for divorce in India. So procedure for mutual consent divorce in India. In this presentation we are providing I am providing you the detailed procedure for mutual consent divorce in India. So this presentation contains step by step procedure of divorce by mutual consent documents. Time is taken and most important at the cost. The Indian legal system is one of the detailed legal system. Basically the procedure of divorce begins with the filing of the divorce application, but there are several ways to get divorce. Basically there are two ways of for getting a divorce. Firstly, divorce by mutual consent, and secondly, contesting it. Section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 deals with the concept of divorce by mutual consent. According to this presentation, if husband and wife have given the right to dissolve their marriage by divorce with mutual consent, the following acts provide for the divorce by mutual consent. Section 28 of the Special Marriage Act 1954 and Section 10A of the Divorce Act 1869. Documents: first, marriage certificate; second, address proof of husband and wife; third, photographs of marriage; fourth, passport size photographs of husband and wife; and fifth, details of property. Sixth, there are compulsory documents, and some documents are dependent upon the facts of the case. Conditions: first, there must be a separation between the husband and wife for more than a period of 1 year. Second, they cannot live together. Third, there must be the consent of both parties, therefore husband and wife. Fourth, both parties must be agreed upon the term and condition while filing a petition for divorce by mutual consent. Place of filing for divorce in India. First, the place where husband and wife last lived. The place where the marriage was solemnized. Third, the place where the wife is residing. Step by step procedure of mutual divorce. Firstly, filing a joint application for mutual divorce in a prescribed manner, and it must be signed by the parties. Second, after the filing of joint application for mutual divorce, both parties along with their lawyers will appear before the court. Third, the court would verify the documents, examines the application, and the court tries for reconciliation. Fourth, the first motion is passed. Fifth, after the order of the first motion is passed, the court gives 6 months of time to the husband and wife to rethink on their divorce before the second motion. Sixth, after the period of the 6th month, the couple can file for the second motion, but if not exceed 18 months. Seventh, the date of the second motion is the final hearing of the divorce application. In the end, the court passes the decree of divorce. So this presentation is only about mutual consent divorce in India. If there are any complication in divorce, then you can file as a divorce petition against your spouse seeking divorce. So this is all about mutual consent of divorce in India. There are many motion. There are three motion. There are two motion passed in this procedure, and first motion is about 1 to 6 months. Second is 6 to 18 months. So this is all about procedure for divorce in India. If you have any question related to this topic, please mention in the comment box. And this video is not for any kind of advertisement, promotion, etc, etc. This is only for education purpose. And please like this video and share this video. And if you have any question related to this video, please mention in the comment box, and please give the feedback of this video. And please like this video as usual, and subscribe the Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. And thank you and have a nice day.